So I'm going to show one of the ways that you might want to post an assignment in your Google Classroom. So first off, we're going to select our class. And next we are going to post our assignment. So again, to post an assignment, you're going to click on the little plus and you're going to create an assignment. First, you have to give it a title. So in this case, I'm going to give it assignment number 3 and a description. Again, this can be just about anything you want. You don't have to necessarily give it a full description if you don't want to, because maybe that's something that you give to your students in more detail through a doc. The next step is to change the due date or time. You first of all can remove any due date or time, so there's no due date, or you can leave it on and you can choose a specific date and time that you want that the assignment is due. So in this case, by 11:59 on November 27th. So the next part is actually attaching some documents to your assignment. You can do a number of different things. One can be a file uploaded from your computer. Now this file is going to be basically a read-only file, as it's going to be just a PDF or a Word document that they're going to be able to read through, and that's it. That's useful for just kind of delivering the idea of the assignment and then having them go off and do whatever they need to do for the assignment. Another attachment you can make is a YouTube video, so maybe it's you explaining the assignment in more detail. You can also link to a website, so maybe the assignment is an exemplar using a web tool online, and you can link to that using this attached link. And the other way, and one of the ways that I find very useful for attaching an assignment, is for those assignments that you want them to do some written work, whether it's a final product or it's their kind of ongoing work of it, the rough work of it. So there's 3 things I'm going to attach. I'm going to attach first off the assignment description and choose it in your drive and then add it to your actual assignment posting. In this case, I'm going to leave it as viewing, so view file. Students therefore are going to be able to read through the assignment in much more detail and understand thoroughly the steps needed to complete the assignment. I'm then going to go back in and I'm going to select another file. Again, you could attach all these 3 at once. I'm just choosing to attach one at a time to kind of show you the process. I'm going to attach the rubric. In this case, I'm going to attach this as a make a copy. Why I'm doing this is so that I can go into the rubric, that is a copy of it for each student, and I can highlight the levels and therefore giving their mark back to them through that rubric. I can then record that mark somewhere else in my gradebook. And the last document I'm going to attach is just a blank Google document that gives them the prompt as far as, you know, write or complete your work here. And I'm going to make this as make a copy as well. And now what I'm able to do is actually go into their assignment and provide feedback to them and actually evaluate their work if it's a final assignment, or again give that ongoing feedback as if it's the rough work, and I can pop in at any point in time and give them that. So 3 documents attached: the description, and that can be a view only, the copy of the actual rubric, and the copy of a blank doc that they will then work from to complete their assignments. Once posted, I can then go in, I can give them their feedback of their work, and when it's finished, I can pop into their Google Doc and actually highlight the levels, write my feedback at the bottom, and send that back to them. Alright, so that's one of the ways in which you can post an assignment through Google.